currently working as associate manufacturing trainee, and I'm laboratory scientist by profession. Also, I'm doing masters in clinical microbiology. I'm passionate in improving healthcare outcomes by using sciences and innovation. Through BioMex, I get chance to get international internship program to Germany. When I was graduated from bachelor degree, I tried to seek for an opportunity which can make me compete to the market. I found BioMex program. I applied and I was selected among 14 interns. I went to Boehringer Ingelheim. It's a pharmaceutical industry in Germany. From there, I gained different skills like communication skills, networking.
I'm a pharmacist by profession. I have graduated from BioMex program. I'm just curious and passionate about science and innovation in the healthcare sector. From my childhood, I have seen many people suffering from preventable and treatable diseases, and they were not having access to healthcare services. I thought that I can do something about this. So I decided to focus on science such as biology and chemistry in high school. Then after graduating from high school, I chose a pharmacy so that I can help people to have access to modern medicines and therapies.
I got a very variable experience of running GMP skills, which was very important in the GMP plays significant part. And after learning lots of skills related to GMPs in the BioMex, that's how I have got. It has led me to the opportunity I have now.
In the next 5 years, I see myself among the team which will contribute in vaccine production. As in Africa, we still have limited access to vaccine, so I want to contribute to health by involving in a team which will produce the vaccine.
For the young pharmacist or any young scientist, the advice is simple. The persistence matters, and when a globe is on the stone, it can break it, but what it requires is consistent. Please try to explore every opportunity you get, because you never know what it will end up.
A program like BioMex, it really is something needed in the country. Here in Kigali, we have really a lot of knowledgeable people. They have all the basics, all the theories they need to have. But really what complete the circle will be really something like these programs that give them the chance to have hands-on or practical part to be in place. And this is really give them the push and the confidence to be able to intervene, give a better output during their career or during their life, especially in the biopharma industry. Same also goes for the chance they have in such a program like the trainee program we have also in BioNTech.